Hello everybody, Peter here. Today we're unboxing the Rowenta Series 75 Total Care. This is a vacuum cleaner, a smart vacuum cleaner that I'm gonna use in my house from now on. And I want to share it with you when I open it so you can see what's inside, and after a while I'm gonna also make a review. So stay tuned, subscribe, and let's get to work. So this robot is a high-end Rowenta vacuum cleaner. The only higher model right now is the 95 series, which doesn't come with too much options above this one. I sincerely don't even understand the difference, because both have laser tracking, both have the map of the house in their mind, and both come with lots of accessories for lots of scenarios. For example, if you want to clean after animals, if you want to clean after people in general. They come with two accessories for different scenarios that we're gonna see right now. So first things first, it came into this box, and inside it looks like it's another box. That's interesting. So this white one, I think because this one has been a resealed unit, like somebody has returned it, they've put the original package and then this other package, so it protects it well, since it has been opened before. But that's not the issue, since we're gonna see all the accessories, and that's the most important part, what's inside it. Let's cut this open as well. Haven't seen another unboxing of this vacuum cleaner, so I don't know if this is standard. It looks like a really sturdy box, so I'd say this is usually included, but we don't know. Yeah, by the looks of it, this is the original box, so it doesn't matter that it has been resealed. And you might ask, why buy a resealed product when you can buy a brand new one? Well, this was half the price, because somebody didn't like it. Some people expect too much from this robot, like it only does cleaning, it's not gonna cook for you. Don't expect that much. And most people return them, but that makes it sell at a good price if you want to buy something a little bit used, with warranty. Here's some paperwork in multiple languages. It tells you how to quick start the robot. From what I can see, I've read it in Spanish here and in English. Right. Some protective cover. Looks like the egg cover material that you use to store eggs in. Here is this quite premium looking envelope that has all the paperwork, so you don't lose them all. You just keep them in the envelope. This reminds me of cars. Cars usually do this. I guess this is also a self-driving thing. In the box, the charger for the station, the robot itself. I think I have to take it first out. So this is the robot. So it has this thing to protect it, this plastic mesh on both sides, exterior and interior. So let's remove it. And this is the actual robot. We're gonna get to it a little bit later. Just put it aside. Also inside, here is the station, the charging station that the robot comes back to when it needs power or when it has finished cleaning. And these are the accessories. One is for animals, one is for general use, and one is for mopping, I think. We'll have to read the manual and we're gonna see what all of these are in a review, but they're for different scenarios, all of them. And also here is a brush that I guess you can use to clean the robot itself. Now the most interesting part, the actual robot. So it has a little bit of wiggle room in here, so I guess when it bumps into something, if he bumps, because here's a laser that helps him see, I guess helps him absorb the shock, right? Here is the home button. I think you can command it to go home, the power on and the open. What's in here? It's where it stores all of the dirt that it has collected. Also on top this tower, it spins, and with an infrared laser it detects obstacles so it doesn't hit itself, so it's not a dumb robot that hits itself every time it goes in the house. It tries to avoid obstacles as much as possible. Here should be also other sensors, infrared sensor as well. And on the back, this is how the robot looks. Two brushes to collect the dirt and take it in here in the middle. This is the main brush, and the wheels that help it go around obstacles. These legs go up and down, so I think it can climb carpets really well. I've seen some people talk about that. We'll see how good it is, since there's a good 4 or 5 centimeters in here. And this is, I think, the steering. This is how he steers. And that's about it, mostly. Nothing else to see. This is just the unboxing. We're gonna come back with a review, since I don't know much about it. I don't know how smart it is. I really hope it's really smart, because it was an expensive unit, even resealed. And it was promoted by Rowenta as a really, really high-class, expensive and smart robot, because it has a map. So after it goes into the first round, it should know the house. But we'll see that in the review. Thanks for looking at the unboxing with me, and see you soon on the channel. Have a great day!